In the past month, I earned $15,000 through the TikTok creativity program, and you can achieve similar success. However, selecting the right niche is crucial to avoid wasting time and resources. Hence, I'm here to reveal the 5 most underrated TikTok niches for beginners that will flourish in 2024, along with my personal content strategies for each niche. These niches are currently under discussed, and by staying till the end, I'll disclose my secret technique for identifying high RPM niches that yield $1 per 1,000 views. Let's commence with the first underrated TikTok niche for 2024. As I share this insight, I'm beginning to second-guess myself. Initially, I contemplated creating a page in this niche. Perhaps I should have kept it to myself. Nevertheless, let's rewind to a few weeks back when I was perusing TikTok to find a niche for my new page. While scrolling through my phone, I stumbled upon a video with 100 million views. Intrigued, I clicked on the profile to investigate how this creator garnered such massive views. To my surprise, every video on the page surpassed 1 million views, some even exceeding 50 million views. Upon further investigation, I discovered several other pages in the same niche, all achieving remarkable success. They focused on oceanic content, utilizing a consistent soundtrack and appealing to a broad audience, garnering millions of views per video. What's more, these videos are relatively easy to produce, enabling creators to generate a plethora of content effortlessly. To swiftly create these videos, here's my approach. Research the most perilous seas and select one to specialize in, establishing your page as the go-to destination for that specific theme. Ensure the chosen sea is trending on TikTok. Then, scour YouTube for 10 to 15 clips and compile the best ones into a video lasting over 1 minute. This duration is crucial for monetization through the TikTok creativity program. Incorporate trending music into your videos, and you're all set. Now let's delve into the next thriving niche on TikTok. Upon examining this page, it's evident that daily videos are being posted, many amassing over 1 million views. One particular video has surpassed 50 million views, indicating the potential to earn $50,000 monthly. The creator seems to have found a winning formula, as all the videos follow a similar format, showcasing fascinating destinations in random countries, synchronized with a consistent soundtrack. This exemplifies just one instance within the travel niche, which boasts numerous successful pages. To create similar videos, here's my strategy. Consult ChatGPT for a list of the world's most beautiful places. Then, compile clips into a 1-minute montage. Now, achieving success with a travel video hinges on 2 critical steps. Firstly, the opening clip must be captivating enough to halt the viewer's scrolling. Secondly, the title text must pique the viewer's curiosity, compelling them to watch through to the end. Observing this account closely, every video initiates with the title, "Places on Earth That Don't Feel Real." Additionally, it's noticeable how they recycle the same initial clips for each video. Specifically, the page consistently employs a clip of a purple apple being sliced with a knife, along with multiple videos commencing with 2 individuals leaping into mud. These recurring clips, coupled with the attention-grabbing title, serve as effective hooks. Moving on to the next niche, which has experienced significant growth in recent months and could be the most underexploited niche on the list: men's self-improvement. This niche has gained traction on TikTok, presenting numerous sub-niches to explore and minimize competition. Google Trends reflects a rising interest in look maxing over recent months. On TikTok, concise and impactful how-to videos have garnered substantial views. For instance, a particular video has amassed 2 million views. In terms of monetization, while I previously mentioned earning $15K through the TikTok creativity program, the allure of the look maxing niche lies in its diverse revenue streams. Many creators offer online courses and build communities that generate substantial income. However, creating these videos may require more time and effort. Nevertheless, this presents an opportunity as the higher level of difficulty deters competition. Additionally, AI tools can expedite the video creation process. Here's a stepwise approach to creating these videos, beginning with the pivotal aspect, the video concept. While TikTok may not yet host many creators in the look maxing niche, YouTube has been a hub for this trend for some time. Identifying viral videos on YouTube provides a blueprint for TikTok success. For instance, the YouTube channel On Point Fresh has garnered significant traction in this niche. Leveraging the titles of their popular videos as hooks for your TikTok content sets the foundation. For the video script, utilize YouTube Transcript to extract a copy of the script, then employ ChatGPT to craft an engaging TikTok script of approximately 190 words, ensuring the video exceeds the 1-minute mark. Regarding the voiceover, utilizing your own voice is an option, but for convenience or quality improvement, AI services like 11 Labs can be employed, linked in the description. Now, let's dive into the next expansive niche, captivating nearly half of the world's population, football or soccer. However, we won't be simply sharing basic highlight reels, as that's the standard fare. To distinguish ourselves from the crowd, our videos will boast a higher production quality. The key is crafting compelling narratives around the most renowned footballers. Take, for instance, a page boasting 500K followers, with one video racking up 20 million views. Each video commences with an attention-grabbing hook, such as "Did you know?" before delving into captivating stories. For those not keen on football or lacking knowledge about the sport, fear not, there's a workaround. Identify 10 accounts within the football niche and recreate their most popular videos. However, ensure to inject your own twist, avoiding verbatim duplication. Moving on to video editing, it's a fairly straightforward process. These videos typically comprise compiled footage with zooms, accompanied by a voiceover and subtitles. Thus, you can create them using CapCut or any preferred video editing software. Now, onto a distinct video style rather than a niche. This page has amassed over 100K followers solely through this content style, adhering to a consistent formula in every video. Simply scout for engaging topics with broad appeal and craft top 3 videos. Editing mirrors the techniques employed in previous niches: AI-generated images, a few transitions, and subtitles. As for scripting, craft the initial view yourself, then devise a framework conducive to garnering views. Hand the script over to ChatGPT for rewriting tailored to your desired topic for the next video. While I initially promised to unveil 5 TikTok niches, I'll let you in on a secret bonus niche. However, I won't divulge it in this video to prevent excessive competition. If you're intrigued, click the link in the description and I'll email you the secret bonus niche free of charge. Earlier, I teased my secret method for uncovering high RPM niches with minimal competition, and it's surprising that this strategy isn't widely discussed. What I do is scour TikTok for buzzwords favored by creators, such as "Did you know?" or "This will shock you." Here, you'll find numerous videos in the TikTok creativity program with millions of views. Jot down the topics that catch your eye and select your favorites. Additionally, utilize the bonus tip. Filter by like count and limit results to videos published within the last 3 months, enabling you to spot recent viral content. Thank you for watching the videos until the end, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.